are collaborating on floral footwear, this time creating a gorgeously delicate version of the iconic Adidas Samba. Perfectly timed for summer, the foundation features white flowers on a pale pink background with spots, creating a somewhat three-dimensional look. Hot pink enlivens the stripes and backtab, while a light tan nubuck is used for the tongue, D-toe, and eyelet panels. A typical Samba outsole and brown gum completes the look underneath. As the most recent in a string of Liberty London x Adidas Originals partnerships, the upscale department store has been reimagining styles such as the Gazelle Indoor, Stan Smith, and others since the end of 2025. This most recent partnership may be the most sought-after Liberty x Adidas collaboration to date, considering the Samba is one of Adidas' most well-liked models. The $100 Liberty London x Adidas Samba is presently scheduled to go on sale on adidas.com on May 30th.